So hey guys, what's up guys today in this episode, and that's our first episode on Save's educational channel. So we should enjoy it and let's get started. So today's lesson is, so that's today's lesson name, solving equations with variables on each side. So let's solve exercise 1. So exercise 1 actually, so 1, and it says x plus 6 equals 3x. So that's the equation, and that's the first equation we will solve in this math lesson. And let's get started. So I will explain everything and we will do everything step by step. So first thing, we must have one variable on one side. So now we have one variable here and one variable here on two sides, so we must have it on one side. So first thing, we see which one is smaller. So which number is smaller, so we can subtract it from the other one. So for sure this x is smaller than 3x because 1x means 1. So let's write it. So actually the opposite of 1, positive 1x, is negative 1x, and everything we do on this side of the equal sign we must do on the other side of the equal sign. So let's rewrite the equation again. So let's write the equation. But before we write it, we must know that we had eliminated this positive 1x and negative 1x because positive and negative, they cancel each other. So actually that's the equation that I rewrite it. So this cancels this, and 6 equals 1, 3 minus 1 equals 2x. So let's continue this equation. So there's multiplication. So 2 and x is multiplication, so we must divide in this situation. So anything we do on this side, we do on the other side. So let's divide on both sides. So anything we divide here, we must divide on the side. So we will divide here by 2, and we will divide also on the other side by 2. So actually x equals, so we will see the answer in seconds. So x, it's very obvious that x equals positive 3. So that's the answer of the first equation, and try to solve it on a piece of paper and try to see if it's easy or not. And so if you want to make sure that your answer is correct, so simply we'll do something very easy. So you will actually replace the x by 3. So let's see it. So actually that's the equation. When I replace the x with 3, so it's 3 plus 6 equals 3 times 3. So let's solve it. So first, 3 times 3 equals 9, and 6 plus 3 equals 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So actually the equation is right. So 9 equals 9. So that's the check of the answer. So let's do another equation actually, because you could learn more, but it will be somehow harder. So let's do another equation and see, is it harder or easier? So number 2 says, so that's the second equation. We will try to answer it. So it's really somehow complicated, but it's really not. It's very easy. So we have two variables, so we must have one. So we look at the smaller one and we make it negative. So first thing, it will be negative 3 in this way. So sorry, I made a mistake. So negative 3 and negative 3, anything we do on this side, we do on the other side. So let's rewrite the equation after we had negative 3 on both sides. So first thing, we cancel 3z positive, and sorry, my mistake also. So 3z positive will cancel the 3, the negative 3. So we're left with 7z minus 4 equals 12. So let's write it. So actually that's the equation. So 7 minus 3 equals 4, minus 4 equals 12. So we eliminate 3z and negative 3. So let's solve this. So it's now like the first equation. So let's try to solve it. So let's make negative 4 and 12. So actually the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4, and anything we do on this side we must do on the other side of the equal sign. So let's rewrite the equation after we had, but before making it, let's eliminate that use. So negative 4 cancels positive 4 because it's equals 0. And let's rewrite the equation. So actually that's the equation. So 4z equals 6, so 12 plus 4 equals 16. So now here's multiplication. So 4z equals 16. So here's multiplication. So let's divide by 4 on both sides of the equation. So let's divide by 4. So 4 here and 4 there, and 4 divided by 16 divided by 4 will give you z. Actually, z equals 4 because 16 divided by 4 16 divided by 4 equals 4. And let's make sure that the answer is correct. I know the answer is correct, but let's make sure. So 16 divided by 3 divided by 4 equals 4, like I said. So that was the answer for number 2, and let's check our answer. So like usual, we must check our answer. So let's check it. So I had rewritten the equation, but by removing the z and writing the answer that it's 4, and I wrote the answer here. So 7 times 4 minus 4. So first 7 times 4 equals 28 minus 4. So 28 will be 27, 26, 25, 24 actually. So 24. So 24 equals 2. 12 plus 3. So let's first do 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 12 equals 24. So our answer is correct. So actually, what did I do? We checked the answer. So when you find both sides are the same answer, like this one and like this one, so that means that you are, congratulations, your answer is correct. So that was today's lesson. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye.